Good morning, my pupils. I'm your teacher, Sahara Wadallah. Today, I am going to talk about English World Level 5, Use of English. Open your workbook, page 27. 27. Go ahead. But before that, this is our lesson, Use of English. We are going to change the adjectives and make them adverbs. رح نحول الصفات ونجعلها adverbs ظروف. The class of word here is adjective, and when we change it becomes adverb. The class of word or the part of speech يعني أقسام الكلام نوعها من أقسام الكلام adverb ظرف كانت صفة becomes adverb by adding ly. Do you remember the previous class؟ تذكروا الحصة الماضية؟ In the previous class, I have talked about any word. If we add full to any word, verb or noun, we change the part of speech to become adjective. بنغير نوعها من أقسام الكلام لتصبح صفة adjective by adding full. Now these adjectives, we are going to change these adjectives and make them adverbs by adding ly. These adjectives can you give me some examples about these adjectives؟ تقدري تعطيني أمثلة عليهم؟ Yes, yeah. أخذنا careful, helpful, watchful, wonderful, useful. Now let's change these adjectives and make them adverbs. اللي هو درسنا لليوم بدرس use of English page 27. First, these adjectives we can add ly to make them adverb ظرف. نحولها من صفة the part of speech it was adjective, and when we add ly becomes adverb ظرف. لكن أي نوع من الادverb؟ أخذنا أنواع كتير من الادverb. في عنا ظرف مكاني، ظرف زماني. تمام. Now we are going to talk about adverbs of manners. adverbs of manners يعني الظروف التي تتعلق بطريقة قيامنا بالفعل، بالطريقة وليس المكان أو الاتجاه أو الزمان. مثلا أخذت كلمات forwards backwards، صح؟ معناها ظروف مكانية بتحدد لنا اتجاه أو مكان حدوث الفعل، لكن إحنا رح نحكي عن adverbs of manners طريقة قيامنا بالفعل. Let's see these examples. But before that, let's read this bubble. This is a bubble of a speech. Remember, adverbs tell you more about a verb. نتذكر احنا بنعرف انه الادverb describes the verb. الظرف يوصف الفعل، يا اما بيحكي لنا عن اتجاه الفعل، مكان الفعل، زمان الفعل او طريقة الفعل. So the adverbs describe verb. هذا الكلام ما أخذناه. The adverbs الظرف on this page tell you how كيف طريقة how the action was done كيف الحدث صار. We can make adjectives ending full. نقدر نعمل الصفات التي تنتهي بfull into adverbs by adding ly. Example, careful. Do you remember careful? What is the part of speech of careful? Yes, careful here is adjective. The part of speech is adjective. Let's add ly and make it adverb. Add careful here is adjective. Carefully is adverb. Carefully, adverb. We add ly to change the part of speech to become adverb. Read this example. يلا read it يا سارة. يمنى ملك read them. Read this. Fred wrote his story carefully. Carefully بدقة بحذر. Carefully. How Fred wrote his story. كيف كتب قصته. He wrote his story carefully بدقة وبحذر. إذن these adverbs tells us how the action was done. Okay, let's see these examples or these adjectives. Make these adjectives into adverbs. إحنا عم نحول هون from adjective to adverbs. From adjective to adverbs. Yeah. Can you help me? Yes. Let's change these adjective and make them adverbs. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful here is adjective. What is the part of a speech? The part of a speech of a beautiful is adjective. Can you make it adverb? تقدري تحوليها لأدفيرب. Yes. By adding ly. يلا wrote. اكتبي معي. Write with me the adverb of beautiful. Yes. Bravo. Beautiful. Beautifully. جميل. بشكل جميل. Let's complete this adjective. Powerful. Powerfully. Useful. Usefully. Helpful. Helpfully. Playful. Playfully. Careful. Carefully. Let's write them. هيا نكتبهم ونشوف من الإجابات الصحيحة. Let's show your answers. Bravo. Yes, thank you. These are the adverbs of these adjectives. Let's move to exercise number 2. Yes. Write the spelling rule. Write the example. Write a sentence using the adverb. شو بدنا نكتب؟ نكتب القاعدة. نكتب مثال. نكتب جملة باستخدام ظرف. Let's begin. For adverbs للظروف ending with consonant plus y. Do you remember this rule? هل تتذكرون هذه القاعدة؟ Consonant حرف صحيح زائد y. We change what to what? Can you guess? We change what? Which letter we change it? Yes, bravo. We change the letter y. We change the letter y. And we change y to what? To I. Perfect. Bravo. We change y to I. And then add what? And then we have to add ly. We have to add ly. Why? ليه؟ عشان نعمل to make adverbs. Consonant plus y. We change y to I and then add ly. Let's change this adjective and make it adverb by change the y. Angry. Yes, angry. شو بتصير؟ بتصير angry. Angry. We change y to I and then we have to add ly. Angrily. Angrily. بشكل غاضب. Angrily. Can you use this word, the adverb, in a sentence? Can you use it in a sentence? Yes. Write your sentence here. اكتبي جملتك هون. يلا. Okay, let's complete. Angrily. The worker speaks angrily. If I ask you a question, إذا سألتك سؤال, how the worker speaks, or how does the worker speak? The worker speaks angrily. يتحدث العامل بشكل غاضب. هو غاضب بيحكي ومعصب. Angrily. So angrily here it is adverb. Adverb. The adverb here describes the verb. يوصف الفعل. طريقة الفعل. The action. Okay, can you change these adjectives into adverbs? Can you change these adjectives into adverbs? These adjectives end with consonant plus y. تنتهي بحرف صحيح زائد y. We have to change y to I and add ly. يلا حلوهم عشان to show the answers. حلي وقف الفيديو. راح أوقف الفيديو شوي وانت تحلي وبعدين تقارني إجابتك if it's true or not. Yes, bravo, thanks a lot. Steady. ثابت. steadily بثبات. steady, we use steady, the adjective steady to describe the noun. But if we change it to adverb, we use the adverb to describe the verb. steadily. happy, adjective, happily, adverb. scary, adjective, scarily, adverb. happy سعيد, happily بسعادة. scary خائف, scarily بخوف. This adjective describes noun, and this adverb describes the action or the verb. Let's answer exercise number 3. Read the sentences, underline the verb and the adverb. اقرأ الجمل وضع خطا تحت الفعل والظرف. هيا. The mountain guide ran up. Yes, ran up here verb. The adverb is powerful. Number 2. At the top, he stood watchfully. على القمة توقف بحذر, بترقب. Number 3. Then he walked steadily. هو مشى بثبات along the path, على طول الطريق. Number 4. He held the rope tightly. held the rope tightly. مسك بالحبل بقوة وثبات. أو the top, and the adverb is tightly. Okay, these are the answer of the exercises in your workbook, page 25. Let's move to the last exercise, which is number 4. Choose 3 adverbs. Write 3 sentences of your own. اختاري 3 ظروف من اللي أخذناهم. كوني عليهم 3 جمل من أفكارك. Use an adverb in each one. You may use adverbs on this page or any others. ممكن تستخدم هذه الظروف أو بظروف أنت بتعرفيها من أول. Adverbs. Let's remember something. We all have to write the sentence begins with the subject الفاعل, and then the verb, and then the adverb. Let's see an example. For example, the students. This is the verb. This is the subject. الفاعل. يلا فكري بالفعل. The student شو عملوا؟ wrote كتبوا. ممكن تكتبي sang غنوا. ممكن تحكي played. اختار الفعل اللي بدك إياه بعد الفاعل. يلا هلأ بدنا نوصف الفعل. كتبوا. أول شي شو كتبوا؟ كتبوا wrote an essay. كتبوا مقالة. an essay. طيب الفعل wrote. the object an essay. مفعول به. تمام. الآن بدنا نستخدم كلمة ظرف توصف الفعل، طريقة قيامهم بالفعل. كتبوا كتبوا بتسرع، كتبوا بدقة، كتبوا بحذر، كتبوا بسعادة، كتبوا بحزن، كتبوا بغضب، كتبوا بترقب، كتبوا بحذر. خلينا نحكي إنهم كتبوا بحذر. The students wrote an essay carefully. تمام. full stop. Is it correct or not? Yes, it's correct. دايما الأدفيرب بيجي في آخر الكلمة. Let's write another example. يلا. I what؟ يلا ساعديني. Okay, I help my mom. I help my mom happily. Happily here is adverb. The adverb describes the verb. كيف بتساعدي ماما؟ أنا أساعد أمي. أساعدها بحزن، بفرح، بسعادة، بسرعة، بتسرع، بخوف، بانزعاج، بغضب. No, I help my mom happily. Okay. Now you have to write another examples. لازم تستخدمي أمثلة ثانية غير هدول تبعتي لي إياهم. لازم تبدأ الجملة فاعل، فعل، مفعول به and the adverb. Okay, that's all about our lesson, page 27. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.